We'll guide you through how to make 2D logo into 3D in After Effects Element 3D. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows search bar at the bottom of your screen. Type After Effects into the search field and open the application when it appears in the search results. After the program finishes loading, click New Composition to create a new composition. Set the composition settings according to your needs, then press OK to continue. Next, go to the project panel on the left side. Right-click inside the panel and select Import to bring your logo into After Effects. After importing the logo, select the logo layer and go to the Layer menu at the top of the screen. Choose Auto Trace to create paths from your logo. Copy the same Auto Trace settings shown in the tutorial, then press OK to continue. After the tracing process is complete, right-click inside the timeline. Choose New, and then select Solid to create a new solid layer. Select the solid layer, then open the Effects and Presets panel and search for the element effect. Drag and drop the element effect onto the solid layer to apply it. Next, open the Custom Layers section inside the Element Effect controls. Set Path Layer 1 to your traced logo layer so Element 3D can use the logo paths. After that, click Scene Setup to open the Element 3D Scene Setup window. Inside the Scene Setup, press Extrude to convert the logo into a 3D model. Adjust the extrusion depth and any other 3D settings based on the style you want to create. When you are satisfied with the appearance of the logo, press OK to return to the main composition. Your 2D logo will now appear as a 3D object inside After Effects using Element 3D. You can continue adjusting the element settings later. Your 3D logo is now ready to use.